I love it. As you can see, it rolls. It has the 4 wheels at the bottom. 2 of those wheels both have locks on them, which I do like because it stays in place. And I don't really understand why more laundry baskets don't have wheels on them. Now that I have a laundry basket with wheels, it has been a game changer. Another amazing aspect of this laundry basket is it has a metal frame that goes throughout the entire basket. So it makes it very, very sturdy. But the framing is also lightweight, which makes it easy if you needed to bring it up or down the steps. And you can do so with these very convenient and strong handles. Around the actual basket area is a very heavy duty canvas. I don't know if you can really see it, but it is heavy duty. It goes right on top of the metal framing. And then there is the leather trim on the top of it. The canvas just snaps right on with these heavy duty